What is up, YouTube? Back. Wait, why aren't you wearing your face mask? 6 feet away, please. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome back, guys. I know I haven't posted in like about a week. I usually try to post. Let me take the shit off. I usually try to post once a week. Haven't posted in a while mostly because I sold the Honda. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw that I had posted it up for sale and I sold it. Everybody was like freaking lowballing me hardcore. I had the car up for 2,500 because I knew people were gonna lowball me because of the cracked block and shit. But it still ran good. I'm still in touch with the guy who I sold the car to, and he hits me up every once in a while. He'll be like, "Hey man, the car's still running. Everything's good." He's actually building a D16, I think. He's building another engine for it. So once that one gives out, he's gonna have a replacement for it, and he's gonna take us for a ride too, so we can still be in touch with the car. But let me tell you guys what I did. So, like I said, I originally had the car up for 2,500. I got lowballed all the time. People were saying 800, freaking, just ridiculous offers. So what I ended up doing is I removed everything I possibly could that was valuable. So I had the air fuel ratio gauge, boost gauge, all that stuff was brand new. I took off the strut bar. If you guys remember, we got that for 20 bucks on OfferUp, and I sold it for 40. So that was a pretty cool little flip. The rear seat pillar bar, the hood bar, the Type R replica lip, the fog lights. What else? The tow hook. I still have that, and I actually ended up taking out the whole exhaust because it was just open downpipe. So they didn't really need the exhaust. So I just took that off, and I took off the muffler because it did have a MagnaFlow muffler. So I'm gonna try to sell that for like 30 bucks or something. So I ended up selling the car for 1,100 and a shotgun. So I haven't shot the shotgun yet. It's pretty cool, just for mainly reasons for me not trying to get flagged or anything. I'm not going to show the shotgun here. If you guys follow me on Instagram at Budget Fixes, I think I have a picture of it on there. It was probably on my story, but you guys can definitely follow me and keep up with what I post. I post there a lot, sometimes more frequently than YouTube, but you guys can check that out. But if you guys remember, I did have the budget detail kit. So I'm going to bring that back because, I kind of pushed that aside for a while. And I did tell you guys I was going to be buying a pressure washer. And for the meanwhile, we were going to be using that pump one. So it's freaking high here. So I had the funds. So I went ahead and I bought the pressure washer. It's right over here. And I bought an extra hose because if you guys remember, those hoses that I got at the dollar store, they were like, I think $2.99 each. They were good for that little the little handheld sprayer, but it just after a while they do break pretty easily and they start to leak out. So I had to tape it and then tape rags on it so it wouldn't leak as much. So I just went ahead and invested the extra $20 and I bought that hose. It's 50 feet and it says it's steel braided, so it should last us a good while. All right, so here you guys can see the coupon. I just bought this today, like literally a couple, like 20 minutes ago. So I got a 20% off coupon. I'm going to link that in the description down below. I used my phone. I just told the guy there, I was like, hey, I have a mobile coupon. He scanned it. No biggie. The pressure washer was already on sale for like 100 bucks. It was $100. It was $99.99, whatever. So I used that 20% discount code and we got it down to $79.99. So that's a whole $30 that we saved. So that's pretty cool. And this is the little hose I got. That was $19.99. So with everything, it was $108. But that's a good investment for, our little business or whatever we want to call it. So I'm going to go ahead and this is just more like an update video. I'm going to make another video of me detailing this car because this is my mom's old car. And if you guys, like I said, you guys got to follow me on Instagram to stay updated because, I post a lot of stuff there. But I do have some money saved up, and that's the whole reason why I sold my Honda Civic, to begin with, is because this is my mom's old car. We've had this car for like 6 years, guys. This car is beat up. The paint, it's not that bad. Well, it's not that good, actually. The whole hood is just like, it's fading away. Got a big old dent right here. You guys can see that. Yep. The top is just like the sun is just beating on this nonstop, so that's pretty bad. It does have a few dents. This mirror was actually replaced with a little stick-on one. The original mirror is back here, and that's completely shattered. So we bought a little replacement for it. Let me just show you guys the damage this car has. Right here too, her bumper was hanging, and we just like put some screws on there to hold it on. The back too, little DIY fixes. I mean, like I said, we've had this car for like 6 years. So this car actually has 300,000 miles, guys. So this car is clapped. So the idea was for me to surprise my mom with the newer car, but I went ahead and I let her know of the surprise because I want to get a car that she likes, you know. I don't want to just surprise her with a car and have her not like it. So I talked to her about it. I mentioned the whole reason why I sold my car and the money I had saved up. So as of now, I have $3,500 saved up, and you know, I have my job now, so I'm still working. I'm saving up to get a couple, like at least to 5,000, so we can get a good down payment and you know, get some all right monthly payments as well. So we're gonna be replacing the windshield on this car, and I'm gonna fully detail it, and we're gonna hopefully try to sell it for like maybe $1,000, $1,300, because the car runs good. Like I said, we've taken it to Nogales, California, and we haven't had any issues with it. There's no check engine light or anything. We keep up with the maintenance, and yeah, guys, it has AC and everything. The only thing that's like gonna keep people from buying it is the high mileage. It does have 300,000 miles, but it's really reliable. My mom drives this car every day, has AC. So here in Arizona, I feel like I can probably get maybe 1,500, or the least money the least amount I'm willing to take. Well, my mom, for this car is maybe like 1,200, because it's still a good car. It runs good, no issues. So yeah, guys, this is just like an update video. I want to let you guys know. I'm gonna I might try to detail it tomorrow, or I'll just wait until we get that windshield replaced. I'm gonna detail the engine bay. I'm gonna try and bring these headlights back to life, because if you guys see, that's really foggy. It's not just that it's dirty, but it's also like really hazy. So we're gonna try to bring those back. Chris Fix has some video. We're gonna be using his method in order to bring these things back to life. We're gonna detail the interior and detail the engine bay. I think I already said that. And yeah, guys, we're gonna, you know, try to make this car look really nice for its next owner. But yeah, guys, so one more thing before I end this video. This is a short video. Just before I start detailing this car, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase some more products that some people have been recommended on my videos. They've been recommending me some products that I could use. So I did get a Turtle Wax the spray one. So we're gonna try that one out, and I'll give you guys a review on if I like it or not. And I'm gonna go get some new brushes and all that stuff, and I'll show you guys everything just like before with the budget detail kit. I'm gonna lay it all out just like that, and hopefully soon we can get the steam vacuums and try to work our way up and learn how to remove stains and, you know, clean the carpets up real nice. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. It's a really short video. Just want to give you guys a quick update. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.